I'm going to be trying out this Moisturizer Detangler, and it's coconut milk. So first you shake it up. I want to thank the brand for sending me this sample to try out so that I could make this shoppable video to show you how it works. So now I will spray my hair before I comb it. I just washed it and it's wet. And this is a product that you leave in your hair. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like coconut. I feel like I've gone to the beach and put suntan lotion on. Oh, and it took those tangles right out. Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, I love it. I love that smell. You'll have to get this and try it. Thanks for watching.